Guys, this is Mushroom Foraging Adventures. I am the forager and we're out today looking for pine again. So stay tuned and see how well we do. This is the habitat that I am foraging in. They're out in the open, they're under the small trees, they're basically everywhere. They're in the big trees as well. So it's a good time to look for mushroom. Okay, this is a good example. Somebody took one here, right? And they probably left it a few days, but there's one right by it, see? Our first one, guys. Hi. Cambodian? Lao? Oh, chơi ít Lao. Thì nị. Hot dog. Got here too. And then here. Oh. They're in really deep. Oh. I think there's another one under there. Yeah, there is. Oh my God. I don't want to come out. See, have to deal with roots again. Got him. Let's get this one. Oh, got him too. So 3 right there. And then you got here. See. Yeah, there's people all over the place. So even with that amount of people, you're still gonna be able to find some. All you gotta do is walk slow, even walking after people. So much dig marks. But we are finding them where they're digging, just like that. So all you can do is take a close look. I talked to the guy, he was here. But this is where he was. This looks like a mound, you see? Can't see it all. He was right here, around here, when we talked to him. You can see there's people dig mark right there, but I look closer to the tree right there. See that right there, right here. Look at that, 2 nice ones. Not wormy at all. Beautiful. Today I'm actually targeting their old dig marks. See? Their old dig marks took there. So I'm just looking around their old dig mark. And here we go. That's a little one. Just taking a closer look at the dig marks. Okay. Picked one and then dug one there. There's another mound here. Is it pine? No, that's not a pine. Pretty sure this one is though. Right there. Oh, look. It's actually a big mound. It's a pine. This one too. Okay, here again we have a lot of dig marks. So you just look close by it. There's a lot of people here, so I'm trying to stay quiet. See that moss, decoloring moss right there? See, it's like right there. Let's see. There we go. Check out this weird looking thing. Is that a pine? See that? It is a pine. Another one by it. It's made a crack. Oh no, not it. Beautiful. But that's weird. Okay. See why the right there? Yes. It's difficult. Check that out. Little crack, but big mushroom. So now we just need to look all around here. Right here, see it? This is gonna be nice. This is gonna be nice. Oh, Jesus. He's massive. I'm trying to stay quiet. Oh, my God. Look at the size of these things. Bad, just right there. These massive guys. See that? So here we got here and here. There's two here and one here. See that? Nice. Another one there. Show you there. They took one right there. So right here. There we go. So we got four right here. So we got one there under the sapling. Maybe another one right here. Oh yeah. Come here, show ya. See that crack right there under this? Yeah, that's a mushroom. This one too. Oh man, it's hard to get out. All these mushrooms here are so hard to get out. See that? Oh, see, it broke it. Here. So you want to look in like by the logs. You want to look in bushes, small trees, like under that branch. Right there. You got there. Then you also got one here under this branch here too. See? Nice. So as I'm lowered, I'm looking around for more cracks and bumps. Bingo. Pretty we've been finding them all the way as we come down. So it's kind of like a root system. I'm following it. If I run out, I go left or I go right. See, here we go. Still following it down. And see this here to here. And under here, right here, see that mound? Another one there. So that's 3. I don't see any more. Let's pick these. Oh, he's wedged too. There we go. So we're just falling down. Look at that right here. Watch, turn the camera. I didn't notice it, but right here might be one. Definitely one right there. Oh, look at that. See that? Check that out. Check that out. Just right here, like that much. I think there's one here, here. See how that this kind of like dark moss? See, it is, but it's wedged on a rock. There we go. And here too, right here, possibly, maybe a rock. Okay, let's pick these up. Okay, this one's gonna be hard to see. See right there. Should be one right here. Two. Very hard. You basically gotta put your nose to the ground to see them. Okay, you guys see this bump here? And you can see that one over there. Yeah, that's mushroom. See that? Right there. There's 2 more right here. That's the video. So we're still coming down on where we find mushroom. Once we find mushroom, up, down, left, right. There's probably a few, probably 3. Yep, just 3 of them. Nice number 1s. Look for more. Well, that's gonna do it for this video. I was all alone by myself. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.